I'm going to show you how to remove a light bulb up there. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda here. One of my light bulbs way at the top edge of my ceiling is out, and I'm going to show you how to replace it. So to get the light bulb out, you're going to need two things. And the first thing that I have here is a long pole, and this one's by Doca. And what I really like about this is it's aluminum and it's super long. In its compacted form here, it stands about 6 feet tall, but as you can see, it has these little levers. I can open these levers up and then extend these out like a tripod leg. Now you want something that's going to attach to the light bulb too. And I've been trying this and I don't really like it that much. It slips over the light bulb and it just has a spring up there. And the problem with it is if there isn't a lot of clearance between the light bulb and the socket, it's hard to get it in there. And then secondly, it's also hard to remove it once the light bulb is in. You just have to pull on it, and I'm always afraid that it's going to pull the light bulb out of the socket and just break it. So I actually bought this, and I'm going to give this a try. It's actually a suction cup that fits on the top of the pole, and you can see there's a little tab, and you tie this string to it. So you install the light bulb into the suction cup, put it into the socket, screw it in, and then you pull on the string to release the suction cup. So I think this is going to give me more control as opposed to just kind of pressuring and pulling on the light bulb itself. So I'm going to install this on top of here, and we'll see if we can get the old light bulb out and the new light bulb in. So here's the suction cup holder one that I'm going to use. You can see that you tie the string to the little tab there, and then it runs through this little guide. And so when I pull on the string, it kind of pulls that suction cup away. So I'm going to first see if I can get that burned out light bulb out. And you can see here, these sections just telescope out, which is awesome. And then you can lock them down so they will hold their position by just flipping that switch down. It's already pretty tall. Okay, so there's the burned out light bulb, and I'm gonna go just press this thing right in the center. And then, oh, it's coming out. I can see it's twisting the light bulb. So I'm gonna put 2 hands on this thing. So there it is. That actually worked great. And now if you just pull on the string, it's going to kind of release that suction cup, and I can just pull the light bulb off. Now we have to put the new one on the suction cup and put it back in. New light bulb installed on that suction cup, and we will go ahead and put it back into the light bulb socket. All right, so I've twisted this back in. Now I want to see if I can pull on the string and actually release that suction cup. Oh, I felt it come off. Yeah, this suction cup works great. Let's see if the light bulb works. And all the light bulbs now working. Awesome. Hey, if you want to pick up the extension pole and that little suction cup, I will put links to them in the description below so that you can change the light bulbs that are way up high in the ceiling. Peter von Panda, out.